Hello Tech World and welcome to another video. Today I'll be sharing my first impressions of the Poco Pad, which launched earlier this year. In this video, I'll take you through what's included in the box, the key specs of the device, and my hands-on experience with this budget-friendly tablet so far. If you're currently on the hunt for an affordable yet capable tablet, stick around to find out if the Poco Pad could be the right choice for you. And if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we dive into everything tech and gaming, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Without further ado, let's take a look at the Poco Pad. When it comes to the unboxing, here's what you can expect to find inside the box. First, you'll see the Poco Pad itself, carefully packaged for protection. Alongside the tablet, you'll find a USB Type-C cable, a wall adapter, and a 33-watt charging brick to ensure quick and efficient charging. There's also an SD card eject tool included for easy access to the expandable storage slot. Finally, you'll find the user manual, to which no one ever reads. Moving on, let's take a look at the build and the design of the Poco Pad. The Poco Pad comes in two colors, which are blue and gray. The tablet comes in a slim profile, combining a sleek aesthetic with a solid and premium feel. Despite being positioned as a more affordable device, the Poco Pad doesn't come across as budget-friendly, as its metal unibody feels smooth and comfortable. The tablet feels quite durable and sturdy, giving you no reason to fear its ability to withstand daily use or minor bumps and drops. The device's layout is thoughtfully designed for usability. On the top edge, you'll find the power button, which is in a convenient position for easy access. Along the side, the volume rocker lets you effortlessly adjust sound levels, while the SD card slot is located on the same side. In my opinion, I wish more tablets had this feature, as SD card slots are great as they offer users an excellent option for expanding storage without needing to break the bank. At the bottom of the tablet, you'll notice the USB-C port, which supports fast charging and data transfer, alongside additional speaker grills for a stereo effect. Unlike many modern tablets, the Poco Pad retains a 3.5mm headphone jack, a welcome feature for users who prefer the reliability and sound quality of wired headphones over wireless options. On the back of the Poco Pad, you'll notice two circular cutouts that might initially appear to house dual cameras. However, only one of them is a rear camera, while the other is actually an LED flash. Overall, the Poco Pad delivers a well-rounded build and design, blending functionality with premium aesthetics to meet the needs of a wide range of users. When it comes to specs, the Poco Pad comes packed with impressive specs, starting with a 12.1-inch 2.5K display that offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling and gaming. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 mobile platform processor, ensuring solid performance across tasks. As for the operating system, the tablet runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, providing a user-friendly and intuitive experience. In terms of configuration, the Poco Pad offers 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Plus, as I mentioned earlier in the video, the tablet features an SD card slot, allowing for expandable storage of up to a massive 1.5TB, which is something most users can appreciate. When it comes to the display on the Poco Pad, I have to admit I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't expect the display to be this stunning and vibrant, especially at this price point. The tablet features again a 12.1-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 with a pixel density of 249 ppi. For those seeking a mini LED or OLED display, you'll definitely need to look elsewhere. However, the addition of Dolby Vision is a big plus, enhancing the viewing experience with richer colors and better contrast when watching movies or shows. The display also offers a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is ideal for media consumption, and a peak brightness of 600 nits when on high brightness mode, making it suitable for most indoor and moderately bright environments. Over the past few days, I've enjoyed using this tablet to watch YouTube videos, anime, and sports, and the experience has been excellent so far. I haven't encountered any issues, but I plan to spend more time with the Poco Pad before delivering a full review. As for the speakers on this device, the Poco Pad is equipped with a quad speaker setup that delivers impressive sound quality. Don't just take my word for it, listen for yourself and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. So, what did you think? Personally, I find the audio to be remarkably clear with a well-balanced output that enhances music, shows, and movies. The speakers can get surprisingly loud without compromising clarity, making them a standout feature for a tablet in this price range. Let's move on to the battery performance of the Poco Pad. This tablet is equipped with a massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which has been fantastic so far. It easily lasts me an entire day of use, eliminating the need to carry a portable charger. For now, the battery life feels solid and the device offers several ways to extend it even further. You can enable low power mode to conserve energy or adjust the refresh rate to 60 Hz, which can significantly improve efficiency. I'll continue using the Poco Pad over the coming days to provide a more in-depth review of its battery performance, but so far it's been highly reliable. When it comes to gaming, my initial impression is that the Poco Pad performs reasonably well, but you'll need to lower the settings for certain games to achieve smoother gameplay. This naturally means you won't get the best picture quality during gaming sessions, but so far I've tested titles like Diablo Immortal, Honkai Star Rail, and Solo Level Arising, and all of them ran quite smoothly with minimal issues. As someone who has reviewed several tablets on this channel, I can provide some quick insight into who this tablet is best suited for in terms of gaming. The 120 Hz refresh rate is a great feature and definitely appreciated, adding smoother visuals to less demanding titles. However, the processor does limit its ability to consistently achieve high frame rates in more graphically intensive games. While I plan to spend more time exploring its gaming capabilities, my first impressions suggest that this tablet offers a decent gaming experience for its price point. It's not designed for hardcore gaming, but for casual players and those on a budget. It's a solid option that delivers good value. At this price, you can't expect top-tier performance, but it certainly holds its own. When it comes to productivity on the Poco Pad, I haven't had the chance to fully test its capabilities yet. I'm currently waiting for some accessories to arrive, which will help me better evaluate its performance with more intensive tasks. Rest assured, I'll provide a detailed update on the tablet's productivity features in a future video, so make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. To wrap up this video, the Poco Pad appears to be a fantastic budget tablet, especially at its current price of $285 on Amazon. It packs a lot of great features that make it worth considering, such as its stunning 12.1-inch IPS LCD display with Dolby Vision, a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, quad speakers, and more. I'm excited to continue testing the Poco Pad over the next few weeks to give you a more detailed review. So, will you be checking out this tablet? Let me know in the comments below. As always, Tech World, it's been a blast, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.